Hey, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I'm so happy that you're here. And today I have another sketchbook tour for you because I draw like a maniac. Yes, it's true, I'm addicted to drawing. So I filled another sketchbook and there is quite some workshop material in here because it's workshop season, travel season, and so I did demos in this sketchbook. So they are in here, you will see some of that, but also it is my visual journal, my daily place to go to and to visit my happy place. So let's get started. I'm using a Hahnemühle Nostalgie sketchbook. The paper is very smooth, which I love because my pen just glides over it. It's great for ink. It's also great for colored pencils. On top of watercolor, however, the paper responds completely different on watercolor than watercolor paper will because it doesn't really soak any up. So I love this sketchbook for all kinds of media. Like here I played with poster paint sticks and then I drew on top of that with black colored pencil and also some brush pen. It was very popular on Instagram, that one. But as you can see, I play a lot with ink and also watercolor. I love drawing people, as you know and as you can see. But I also do my morning meditation in the garden. This was a really fun moment, playing card games at the dinner table with a friend and his daughters. And then I asked them to add the names, and then the youngest daughter also made some extra smudges on purpose, and I love that because it makes the page so much more personal, and also it helps me to not be too precious about every single drawing I do. And not being precious is important because we tend to make rules for ourselves that every drawing that we make should be very, very good, perfect even. While in the end we are drawing because we're loving the process, don't we? Look at this, how I am layering my colored pencils and crayons on top of watercolor. This is one of those processes that I love. It takes a while and I am just really enjoying my surroundings. So this was in the US. I went to the Midwest for the first time. Didn't love this page, but who cares? And then I met my students and I drew them all the first day. Here's a demo piece that I did during class, and this is after dinner at the table drawing people. Another demo piece in Tom's Burnt Down Cafe, which was really great. One of the participants brought their husband and he sat for us. He's the guy on the left. And the rest were moving objects. So it was really great to have a model actually. And here we are at night. One of the students, Ken, picked up a guitar and played for us. Another demo piece, drawing with sticks and ink. I started with mark making with different sticks and twigs that I found on the ground in the forest where we were. And then I drew the scene. And all the students also drew the scene and the results were really, really awesome and very different. This was a windy day and we were drawing the library. It was not very busy, but at least there were a few people and also some of our friends modeling for us. And I really like how I built this up, especially the last bits I did there in the foreground with the twigs sticking into the drawing, framing the whole thing. Here we are drawing at a cafe, and this is also demo pieces from the class in the studio. This too, dancing people. And then we went outside again, drawing people sitting at benches, and in the background, a favorite place, the ice cream shop. This is the same place, and I drew this in much less time, and I'm liking it so much more. Dinner. And this was my demo at the farmer's market. And then the last day we sat together on the porch and we drew each other in the afternoon. And here I am on my way back. And back home. and I caught COVID when I was in the US. I never had it, went all the way to the US to get it. I had mild symptoms, but no smell or taste. And this was done from a photo which was on my camera roll because of location scouting. I took a photo of this street, forgot about the photo until I got back, and then I used it for reference to do this drawing. And I love how I chose that color palette to be just blue and brown. My husband playing the mandolin. Here's a fun session I had, a mini workshop that I taught at the end of August with my patrons and other participants, and we were drawing and looking around as if we were cinematographers, choosing our angle. So whether we wanted to see our subject from a wide angle, medium angle, or a close-up, and how that influences your story. One of the participants in that mini workshop was using a parallel pen, and it reminded me that I have one too. And a friend of mine had reminded me of it as well, so I wanted to try it again. And in spite of not liking it before, now I am having more fun with it. Maybe it is because I also enjoy drawing with sticks and twigs. It kind of feels the same. Less control, more organic lines. So I will keep exploring this pen. And that was the last page of this sketchbook. On to the next one. I hope that this sketchbook tour was entertaining for you, but also inspiring. And I hope that it really inspires you to do a drawing a day. Draw regularly and you get that fluency in your line, in your drawings, in your creativity, basically, thinking about new ways to approach certain subjects and all that. And maybe it also gave you a little nudge of thinking about taking a workshop, one of those travel workshops, because they are so fun and they will accelerate your growth because you are surrounded by other artists and you will be so inspired. So check out my workshop schedule. It's on my website and I am putting the link down below so you can check it out. It would be lovely if you can join me in one of those in-person classes. If that is not your thing or it's not available for you, then of course keep coming back here. I will be here every week with new tips for you, and I am supported by my patrons on Patreon to actually do this every week. They are a huge help, and I absolutely love the community that we're building there. So check out my Patreon page as well. Maybe you'd like to join me there. I'll see you next week. Bye.